Hey guys, welcome to Grown Folks Tech. Today I want to go over 10 basic computer terms that you should know. So let's go. Thanks for joining us as we talk about 10 basic computer terms that you should know. Computer terms are either hardware or software based. In this video, we're going to talk about a little bit of both. So let's talk about hardware. Now these are the physical pieces of a computer. So whether it's the scanner, the monitor, the keyboard or mouse, or things that go inside of the computer, like the CPU, which is a central processing unit, or maybe the RAM. Anything that goes in or is connected to a computer is considered hardware. Let's talk about hard drives or disk storage. A hard drive is a storage device. Hard drives can be located either inside or outside of a computer. A hard drive that's inside a computer is an internal drive. Internal drives can be removed, put inside cases called enclosures, and that turns them into external drives. The hard drive is where the data and the operating system is stored. When it comes to computers, memory is temporary storage. So for a computer, memory is loaded when the computer is turned on. The memory loads computer programs and data. You can think of memory as random access. Now let's talk about a reboot or a restart. This is when you switch the computer off and on again, allowing its operating systems and programs to restart. Now keep in mind, a reboot or a restart is not the same thing as putting a computer into hibernation mode. A reboot requires that all of its software is completely reloaded. Let's talk about computer crashes. A computer crash is a serious hardware or software failure. Sometimes your computer may crash when a piece of hardware is broken or when software experiences a serious bug. Not to worry though, oftentimes when your computer crashes, it's not your fault as the user. Next up we have the OS, better known as the operating system. So the operating system is the main computer program that runs your hardware as well as other software programs. If you have a Windows PC, your OS or operating system would be either Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, or Windows 10. Now, if you have an Apple computer or a Mac, you would have either Catalina, Mojave, High Sierra, and a few other operating systems depending on the age of your computer. Now let's get into software. Software is a program application that gives a computer step-by-step instructions to perform a specific task. There are many different types of software. Let's take, for instance, computer applications for productivity, like Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, as well as Intuit QuickBooks. For PDF readers, you've got Adobe Acrobat. No matter what the software application that you're using, keep in mind, a computer cannot function without software. Next up, we have FAQs, or facts. FAQs are frequently asked questions. These are documents that answer common questions to a certain website or programs. web browsers. So a web browser is a program you use to look at and move between web pages on the World Wide Web. Some examples of web browsers may be Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Now let's talk about downloading. So downloading is when you receive data from a different system. Normally a server, maybe a web server, FTP server, email server, or a similar system. So when we download songs, for instance, we're receiving data from a music server like Spotify, YouTube, or maybe Apple Music, and we're receiving that data, storing it onto our computer. We hope knowing these 10 basic computer terms are able to help you in your everyday computer use. If you found this content helpful, entertaining, or you just want to support our channel, click that like button. If you'd like to view more content from Grown Folks Tech, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.